Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on managing your digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Modic from Gemini to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're holding Modic on Gemini and want to secure it on your hardware wallet, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember, we're dealing with crypto, so security is key. Double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have your Gemini account set up and verified, and that your Ledger Nano X is fully updated with the latest firmware. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your Nano X via USB. Once it's connected, navigate to the Ethereum app on your Ledger, since Modic runs on the Polygon network, which is compatible with Ethereum wallets. Now, log into your Gemini account on their website or app. Head over to the Withdraw section and select Modic from your asset list. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount. Start small if it's your first time to test the waters. Next, grab your wallet address from Ledger Live. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab, select your Ethereum account, and copy the address. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Ledger device itself to ensure it's correct and avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Gemini. Double-check for any typos because in crypto, one wrong character can mean lost funds forever. Hit Review or Confirm, and you'll get a confirmation screen. Enter any required two-factor authentication codes from your Gemini account. Once approved, Gemini will process the withdrawal, which might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. After the transaction, head back to Ledger Live to confirm that your Modic has arrived in your wallet. If everything looks good, you're all set. This step keeps your assets offline and super secure. Remember, in the ever-evolving world of crypto, staying updated with the latest best practices is crucial. Always use official sources and keep your devices secure. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.